In this video, we'll be checking out how we can update the software version of the A2A box by CarPlay smartbox. In case you didn't already know, using this small device, you can convert your car's wired Android Auto into wireless seamlessly. I've already made a detailed review video on this in case you want to check it out. You can find the link to that video at the end of this video. Coming back to the topic, all we need here is the A2A box, a mobile device with an internet connection, and finally a USB cable which was provided with the device to power up the A2A box. Oh, by the way, you do not need to be sitting in your car to update the software. All you need is any power source, which is the wall socket in my case. So now let's go ahead and insert the cable in the relevant port. And after a few seconds, you can notice a red light on the A2A box. Now on my mobile device, we need to turn on the Wi-Fi only. There is no need to turn on the Bluetooth here. Add a new Wi-Fi connection, which is the AutoKit 12 in this case, and enter the default password of 12345678. Click on connect and done. You might see a prompt on your screen telling you that the connected device has no internet access. Click on yes to stay connected anyways. Now launch any web browser of your choice. Enter the IP address 192.168.50.2 in the search box and hit enter. And as you can see, we now have access to my A2A box. You should be able to see a similar web page for your device as well. If it takes an unusual amount of time to see this page, or if the page is unresponsive, simply pair the device once again and you should be good to go. Here we can see a lot of information including the current version along with a few tabs at the bottom. In the first tab itself, we need to click on the check update button, after which we will see a prompt asking us to disconnect the Wi-Fi in order to search for an available update for the device. So let's go ahead and do that. Now click on check update one more time, and now we wait for it to search for an available update. As you can see, there is an available update for the A2A box. Click on the button click update to download this update. This could take a few minutes to complete. Once downloaded, you should be able to see a prompt to reconnect the phone to the A2A box. So let's do that now. And then click on the button confirm. This action will update the software version of your A2A box, and it could take a few minutes to complete. You will also notice the blinking lights on your A2A box. Do not worry, this is normal. It just means that your device is being updated at the moment. As soon as the update is completed, the device's lights will stop blinking, then you will see the relevant prompt on your mobile device, and finally the A2A box will power off. We now need to reconnect to the A2A box to regain access to it. So let's go ahead and do that once again. And as you can see, my A2A box has now been updated with its latest software, and even the entire look of the web page has changed now. Under this Home tab, we can see even more information on the page, along with some graphics at the top showing us the Wi-Fi rate, CPU temperature, as well as the used memory of the A2A box. Let's check out the remaining tabs now. Under the Devices tab, we can see all of the paired devices, which in my case is my Samsung S20 FE 5G, which at the moment is the primary camera being used to record this video. You can remove any paired device from this tab if you like. Under the Help tab, we can see and modify our vehicle's information, check for any updated softwares, roll back to the last working software in case you are not satisfied with the current version, download a specific software version in case you know the version number, and finally, contact the customer support team either for any troubleshooting assistance or even to give them some sort of a feedback. Moving towards the final tab here, which is the Settings tab, we can see a lot more settings, most of which I would not recommend changing yourself as that might cause the device to misbehave. However, you may change some settings here like the car logo, Wi-Fi name along with the device name. At last, at the bottom, you can click on the Reset button in case your device is unresponsive. This will factory reset your A2A box. And that is it, guys. Hope you found this video informative. Check out the description of this video as I have 2 exclusive discount coupons for you to use on your purchase of this affordable product or any product offered by the CarPlay Smartbox brand. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll catch you guys soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.